Ever wondered how you can contribute to sustainable gardening right in your backyard? Enter rain gardens, a solution that not only manages stormwater runoff, but also improves water quality and enhances garden aesthetics. A well-designed rain garden starts with the right selection of plants. Today, we're going to explore the top 7 plants that thrive in a rain garden setting. Rain gardens are a brilliant way to manage water sustainably, and these 7 plants are the stars of this eco-friendly show. First up, the black-eyed Susan. This vibrant yellow perennial is a real crowd pleaser, attracting butterflies with its radiant blooms. It's a hardy plant that loves the moisture and can handle a bit of shade too. Next, we have the cardinal flower. This brilliant red plant loves its feet wet. It's a hummingbird magnet, so sit back and watch these beautiful birds visit your garden. Number 3 on our list is the swamp milkweed. This robust plant boasts pink flowers that butterflies find irresistible. It's a fantastic choice for those soggy areas in your garden. Then we have the blue flag iris. This plant with striking blue flowers does exceptionally well in wet conditions. It's a real showstopper and a must-have for any rain garden. Coming in at number 5, we have the buttonbush. This shrub sports unique spherical flowers and thrives in soggy soils. It's a great choice if you're looking for something a little different. Second to last on our list is the Joe Pye weed. This tall plant with pinkish-purple flowers is a real attention grabber. It's a stunning addition to any rain garden. Last but not least, we have the river birch. This tree tolerates wet soils and adds an architectural element to your garden. It's an excellent choice for those looking to add some height to their rain garden. Each of these plants brings unique beauty to your rain garden while serving a functional role in managing water. Investing in these plants can make your garden both beautiful and sustainable. Remember, rain gardens and these top 7 plants play a critical role in sustainable gardening. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!